So first is this is the part of human reproduction. Human reproduction part it's a gametogenesis, that is production of gametogenesis is comprised of two parts, that is spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is production of sperm and oogenesis is the production of ovum. Now spermatogenesis will divide into three phases, মানে spermatogenesis কে আমরা তিনটে ফেজে ভাগ করে নিচ্ছি। একটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন ফেজ যেখানে কেবলমাত্র মাইটোসিস হয়, আচ্ছা গ্রোথ ফেজ এন্ড ম্যাচুরেশন ফেজ। নাও উইল সি the spermatogenesis step of spermatogenesis. First is 2n, that is primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells, actually these are spermatogonium or also called as spermatogonium. Spermatogonium. Now from spermatogonium, next step is it is converted in, it's a only mitosis occur. We know that mitosis, আমরা কি জানি mitosis হলো equal division. Mitosis 2n and here also 2n will produce. Mitosis এর ক্ষেত্রে কি হয়, ক্রোমোজোম নাম্বার ইকুয়াল থাকে। Mitosis equal chromosome number, so 2n from here 2n. So this phase is the first, this phase is known as multiplication phase, known as multiplication phase. Multiplication phase, right? Now from 2n here, say one is selected. Now this 2n, this 2n from multiplication phase, then now here 2n just increase in size, it's a growth phase. Now these are all are known as spermatogonium, right? Spermatogonium to primary spermatocyte. These are primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte then convert into meiosis. We know that meiosis 1 is reductional division. Meiosis 1 is reductional division and meiosis 2 is equal division. Reductional division মানে এক্ষেত্রে ক্রোমোজোম নাম্বার কি হয়, কমে যায়। 2n থেকে এখানে কি হবে nn, that is reductional division, n and n. So primary spermatocyte, these are primary spermatocyte, these are produced secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte. From secondary spermatocyte, then it will enters into meiosis 2. Meiosis 2, remember that meiosis 2 is equal division. Here chromosome number remains same, n n n n, right? Now this one, so this first phase is multiplication phase. Second phase we call it as a growth phase. This phase is known as growth phase. And third phase is the maturation phase. Third phase is up to that, from here the maturation phase. Maturation phase, and from here 4 sperm will be produced. Spermatogonium of sperm cells, from here 4 sperm cells will be produced. Sperm cells will be produced. So spermatid, these are known as spermatid, and these are known as sperm. This process is called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis, spermatid to sperm, known as spermiogenesis or spermatiliosis. Spermatiliosis, right? So spermiogenesis, spermatid to sperm production is known as spermiogenesis or spermatiliosis, right? Now, first here, spermatogonium to primary spermatocyte is known as spermatocytogenesis. This part is known as, these are all are spermatogonium. Spermatogonium to primary spermatocyte, these are known as spermatocytogenesis. So in case of here, so spermatogenesis process, the primordial germs, these are basically stem cells. So from where the যেখান থেকে কি হয় না, first phase multiplication phase mitosis হয়, multiplication phase always mitosis is equal division, and meiosis is one is reductional division and meiosis 2 is equal division. Here most of the important here is meiosis 1. Remember that meiosis 1, from meiosis 1 here n produced, that is gamete, it's a haploid produced from 2n, say n produced, and then here sperm is 4 sperm produced after spermatogenesis. One cycle 4 sperm produced, right? But in case of oogenesis, only one ovum produced. We'll see in later. So spermatogenesis, during spermatogenesis, only 4 sperm produce. One cycle, from one for spermatogenesis, 4 sperm produce. And there is a meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is reductional division, meiosis 2 is equal division, right? And this last step is known as spermatiliosis or spermiogenesis, and from spermatogonium to primary spermatocyte is known as spermatocytogenesis. That's enough for spermatogenesis. Now we'll come into the oogenesis step. Oogenesis is less, spermatogenesis start during the puberty stage of the in case of male, and puberty stage actually say where set above to 13 to 14 years, so that's actually called puberty stage, and puberty stage after that the spermatogenesis started. But in case of oogenesis is all started before the in the during the fetal stage. That is the major difference oogenesis এর সঙ্গে spermatogenesis. Now we'll see oogenesis. Oogenesis is the production of ovum. Oogenesis is production of ovum. Now oogenesis will see in different way is oogenesis step, age oogenesis, and follicular development. যে ওভারির মধ্যে actually different types of follicles are there, like primary follicles, secondary follicles, primordial follicles, right? And mature follicles, Graafian follicles. So age is during fetal stage, actually embryonic stage এ oogenesis start হয়ে যায়, ঠিক আছে? যেটা মেলের ক্ষেত্রে or started during puberty stage, or but in case of oogenesis started into during the fetal stage when the already but you should know that there is a bipotential gonad in male and female, both have same gonadal development, and then they differentiate from due to the presence of different genetic combination of sex chromosome, that due to the sex chromosome the different pathway are developed, right? So first is the fetal age, fetal stage, fetal stage. Now oogonium, first is the oogonium, set to n, oogonium, oogonium, then mitosis, mitosis, it's produced primary oocyte, primary oocyte, primary oocyte, then primary oocyte meiosis in progress, but meiosis এখানে কি হয়, meiosis complete হয় না, এখানে fetal stage এ primary oocyte to n condition এ primary oocyte to n condition in meiosis prophase 1, meiosis prophase 1 এ অ্যারেস্ট থাকে, মানে যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত না ফলিকুলার ডেভেলপমেন্ট হবে মিওসিস প্রফেজ 1, দিস আর ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, যে স্টেজে অ্যারেস্ট থাকে, অ্যারেস্ট থাকা মানে হলো এটা ফার্দার আর ডেভেলপমেন্ট হয় না, ঠিক আছে? এটা এমব্রিয়নিক স্টেজেই, একটা এমব্রিয়নিক স্টেজেই এই ডেভেলপমেন্টাল স্টেজ পর্যন্ত। নাও these are all before birth already, the primary oocyte stage, and it is arrested in meiosis prophase 1, and here the follicle in the ovary, follicle remain as primordial follicle, primordial follicle. Now so childhood, during childhood, after birth to childhood there is no development, childhood stage, before puberty up to puberty stage it will remain arrested in meiosis prophase 1. So childhood, no development of follicle, development of follicle. Now next phase is puberty 2, it will remain as in primary oocyte stage, it will convert into primary oocyte, primary oocyte, primary oocyte. Now here primary follicle, follicular development you will see it's converted into primary follicle, primary follicle, then secondary follicle. So up to primary oocyte stage it will convert primary follicle and secondary follicle. Now primary oocyte, this step are puberty to menopause, puberty to menopause. Now here primary oocyte, primary oocyte now converted into say meiosis 1, same as in spermatogenesis, primary oocyte meiosis 1 is completed by one primary oocyte each month, because these all are primary. Meiosis 1 is completed by one primary oocyte each month. Now, from primary oocyte, this is a meiosis 1 stage. Now, meiosis 1, you all know that it's a reductional division. Meiosis 1 from 2n will convert into n and n. Meiosis 1 is reductional division. Meiosis 1 is reductional division. So, reduction of chromosome number, that is from 2n to n and n. So, primary oocyte. Now from primary oocyte, it is reductional division. It is convert fast polar body. It is developed fast polar body. Fast polar body. And another is the secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. It is arrested in metaphase 2. Metaphase 2. Meiosis metaphase 2. সেকেন্ডারি oocyte স্টেজে কি হয় না, এটা গ্রাফিয়ান ফলিকল বা ম্যাচিওর ফলিকলে কনভার্টার। গ্রাফিয়ান ফলিকল or mature follicle. Mature follicle. Now, secondary oocyte stage, it's a wait for sperm. Secondary oocyte stage, actually the stage যেখানে কি হয় না, ovum waits for sperm. If sperm came, then fertilization occurs and then further development will take place. So this step will be after the sperm entry. If the sperm does not enter, or there is no sperm entry, so there this will be the menstrual cycle will continue, and it will be as a secondary oocyte stage. It will ovum will be released in the secondary oocyte stage, but further development will be takes place. মানে next development তবেই হবে যদি sperm আসে এবং fertilization হয় তবে। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে next stage sperm enters. So in this is sperm, so it's in haploid number. After now meiosis 2, then only meiosis 2 will occurs. Meiosis 2 completed after fertilization. If fertilization occur, or if fertilization occurs. Now from meiosis 2, now here second polar body, secondary polar body or second polar body, and ovum. Ovum containing sperm. Already sperm is there in that condition, so it will complete only after these are after fertilization, or if fertilization occur, this step will be continue. Then second polar body, and from first polar body meiosis 2, of fast polar body meiosis 2. Now here it will convert into in and in. So summary that you can see that যে এখানে কি হবে গ্রাফিয়ান ফলিকল যদি ম্যাচিওর ফলিকল হয় এটা ovulation and here graphian ovulation and ovum will be released. Ovulated secondary oocyte. Now so first is that now so look at that part. So first is oogonium stage. Then what happened actually, the oogenesis already started in the during the fetal stage, and fetal stage it will remain in arrested in meiosis prophase 1. These are very important for exam point of view, which stage they are arrested in meiosis prophase 1 during the embryonic stage or fetal stage, and they are up to childhood period up to 12 years. You can see that at so 12 years or before puberty stage there is no development, and it's remain in the ovary as a primary oocyte stage. In the primary oocyte stage এটা ওভারির মধ্যে থেকে যায়। Next stage is a puberty to menopause. Menopause stage is the cessation of or stop a menstrual cycle is called menopause. Now primary oocyte stage, now from up after puberty, during the puberty stage, primary oocyte, the arrest the this arrest stage is removed and it will complete the meiosis prophase 1. Meiosis prophase 1, we know that meiosis prophase 1, that is leptotin, zygotin, these different steps are there. The primary oocyte will complete, and then for meiosis 1 is completed, and in the each and it converted into secondary oocyte stage. Secondary oocyte still arrested in metaphase 2. Metaphase 2 of meiosis 2. Meiosis 2, metaphase 2, it will remain arrested, right? Metaphase 2, because why it is arrested remain, it will wait for sperm. So no further development takes place in the during this step. If there is no fertilization occurs, and then it will remain in Graafian follicle and ovulation occurs, and it will release as a menstrual cycle, and during menstrual cycle and it will ovulated secondary oocyte will be released, right? Now here is the if sperm came, then only for this step will be occurs. So remember that only this step will only occurs after sperm entry, and after sperm entry this secondary meiosis 2, and it will remain arrested in metaphase 2, right? And then it will converted into one secondary polar body. So here is most important is the 3 polar body will produce. These are all polar body. 3 polar body produce and 1 ovum produce. But in case of spermatogenesis, 4 sperm produce. So there is a difference in oogenesis. Only 1 ovum produce, but in and 3 polar body produce. But in case of spermatogenesis, 4 sperm produce, right? So these are important area for question point of view. You have to remember this arrested stage, which stage it is arrested, meiosis prophase 1, and second arrest occurs in metaphase 2, and the Graafian follicle is the mature follicles, is known as Graafian follicles, right?